In this video tutorial, we'll show you the steps to manage channel email signatures for Front with the Buy brand. Let's do this with Buy brand now. In the first part, we'll create 3 email signatures representing the company's sales, help desk, and the standard signature channels. The Front email signature is modern, so accepting HTML-rich elements. I'll only add the company logo, not to lengthen the video tutorial too much. Still, you can customize the signature completely, adding more data as links to the website and social media or web banking. The 3 signatures have been created. Now let's open the Front panel and create 3 channel signatures. Navigate to the Settings icon, then the Signatures menu. Paste the email signature content in the indicated area. In addition, I'll add variables to change the name of each font user dynamically. I'll do the same for the next 2 channel signatures. Finally, I'll set the custom signature to be displayed only on the corresponding channel, or display the signatures for all channels and let the user choose.